In this example, I'm trying to print a message called Happy New Year 2024. But when I hit run, I get an error called type error, and it says can only concatenate string to string and not int. So how can we convert this integer 2024 into a string so that we can use string concatenation to get our desired output? We can do this by two methods. One is we're passing the variable name inside a function called str. So what is this str function? When we pass year inside str, basically it changes the integer into a string. And now this string can be added to this string. So this is called as type conversion. Now when we hit run, we can see the message has been added to 2024. So the second method is by using formatting strings. And formatting string always starts with an F before the string begins. And whatever we want to convert into a string, we pass that inside these curly brackets. So we want to convert 2024. So we have to pass the variable name year inside curly brackets so that 2024 would become a string 2024, and we can add it to the message Happy New Year. So this is the second exercise you'll be doing. So this is the information which is given to you. So you have to use your knowledge of variables to store this information and use the knowledge of f strings and escape characters to give this output. Pause the video and try it yourself. Let's see the answer for exercise 2. So I have made three variables, name, patents, and died, and I've entered the given information appropriately to these variables. Note that on line 2, patents contains a numerical value, an integer 300, and the other two are basically strings. On line 4, I've used the print function and I've started an f string, and inside the f string I've written the message, and inside the curly braces I've entered the appropriate name of the variable. Note that in the output the 300 patents are within double quotes. I've used the escape character before the double quotes here so that Python won't misinterpret while reading line 4, because we have started this f string with a double quote and ended with a double quote.